Australia, the land of sprawling outback, stunning beaches, and unique wildlife. It's a dream destination for many. But you know, people often think Australia is expensive. This isn't always true. With a little planning, you can explore this amazing country without spending a fortune. This guide is packed with tips and tricks to make your Australian adventure affordable. From budget-friendly transportation to free attractions and cheap eats, we'll show you how to experience the best of Australia without breaking the bank. So get ready to explore the land down under without emptying your wallet. Whether you dream of diving in the Great Barrier Reef, hiking through ancient rainforests, or soaking up the vibrant city life, Australia has something for everyone. And with our budget-friendly advice, you can make those dreams a reality. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Transportation can eat into your travel budget, but fear not, Australia offers plenty of affordable options. For long distances, consider bus travel. Companies like Greyhound Australia cover extensive routes, offering comfortable journeys at reasonable prices. Book in advance for the best deals. For shorter trips, trains can be a scenic and cost-effective choice. Explore regional networks for affordable fares. For city hopping, look into budget airlines like Jetstar or Tiger Airways. They frequently offer discounted fares, making flying a surprisingly budget-friendly option. In major cities, public transportation is your best friend. Invest in a travel card for cost-effective bus and train travel. Don't forget about walking or cycling. Many cities are pedestrian-friendly, and cycling infrastructure is improving, allowing you to explore at your own pace while saving money and staying fit. Accommodation is another major expense. But don't worry, budget-friendly options abound in Australia. Hostels are a fantastic choice for solo travelers and backpackers. They offer affordable dorm rooms and private rooms, often with communal kitchens and common areas, perfect for meeting fellow travelers. For a more independent experience, consider holiday parks or caravan parks. These offer cabins, campsites, and caravan spots at affordable rates, often with amenities like swimming pools, BBQ areas, and playgrounds. Airbnb is another excellent option, providing a wide range of rooms, apartments, and houses for rent, often at lower prices than hotels. Remember, flexibility is key. Traveling during the off-season or shoulder season can lead to significant savings on accommodation. And don't be afraid to negotiate with smaller hotels or guest houses for a better rate, especially if you're staying for an extended period. Australia is brimming with incredible attractions, many of which are absolutely free. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of cities like Sydney and Melbourne by exploring their free museums, art galleries, and historical sites. Take advantage of free walking tours to discover hidden gems and learn fascinating stories. Nature lovers are in for a treat. Australia boasts breathtaking national parks with free entry, offering stunning hiking trails, pristine beaches, and awe-inspiring landscapes. Explore the Grampians National Park, Wilson's Promontory National Park, or the Royal National Park, to name a few. Many cities offer free outdoor events, from live music performances to open-air cinema screenings. Check local listings for festivals, markets, and community gatherings. And don't forget about the simple pleasures of picnicking in a park, swimming at a beach, or stargazing in the outback, all completely free and utterly unforgettable. Eating out in Australia doesn't have to break the bank. Embrace the self-catering lifestyle by utilizing hostel kitchens or BBQ areas at holiday parks. Local markets are your best friend for fresh produce at affordable prices. For affordable meals, seek out ethnic eateries, food trucks, and casual cafes. These often offer delicious and filling meals at a fraction of the cost of fancy restaurants. Many pubs offer affordable lunch specials, making them a great option for a midday meal. Take advantage of happy hour deals for discounted drinks and snacks. And don't underestimate the power of a good picnic. Pack your own lunch and enjoy it in a scenic park or by the beach for a truly budget-friendly dining experience. Exploring Australia doesn't have to be expensive. With a little planning and resourcefulness, you can experience the wonders of this amazing country without breaking the bank. Embrace budget-friendly transportation, seek out affordable accommodation, and take advantage of the plethora of free and low-cost attractions. Remember, the best travel experiences are often the simplest ones. Immerse yourself in the local culture, connect with fellow travelers, and embrace the spirit of adventure. Australia is waiting to be discovered, and your budget-friendly journey starts now.